Greetings everybody, this is Wolf and you are watching now the second part of Time Bomb 5, the 250 watt bass amp with Russian radar pentodes in the output stage. The test circuit board is more or less completed for the output stage. You might have seen this in the first video already. So once again we have here the signal path, the output transformer. And what I want to do today is I want actually to connect then really my bass guitar and the cabinet and see if we really get some sound out of it. The only effect I have is here a little equalizer, since I don't have any tone controls so far, because that is just the output stage which I'm currently designing. New thing here is a new high voltage transformer, so these are in series delivering more than 900 volt. I'm limited at the moment to 900 volt on the anodes because these filter caps can only do 900. I will go higher, but then I have to change the output capacitors. So, and let's basically this shall be a live demonstration, live video. I have not played the bass guitar so far. I have not hooked the cabinet so far. Only everything was on dummy load and signal generator. So I'm quite excited what will happen, and this is again a live test like we had on Time Bomb 4. So let's first start by switching on the heaters, 20 volt here for these tubes, and that will be later probably changed from this huge transformer to a small halogen transformer, but I will talk about this later. So then we can switch on the main power supply and rise this voltage until we have here on this voltmeter we have then roughly 850-900 volt. That's the anode voltage. So I'm cranking up the variac and you see how it's rising. 700, 750, 800. Okay, so let's stop here at the moment. So from the variac we have an input voltage now of 214 volts, 1.7 amps. That could be more, but once again I have to change then the filter caps. And here again on the oscilloscopes I'm tracking critical signals. The first one is the signal generator. That one would be the output which is currently still connected to the dummy load, and just to see if everything is working right now. And here are the two signals from the phase inverter. Actually on the last video you saw phase inverter had a lot of hum, so I changed that by adding more filter caps. And let's say if I now increase the if I increase the master volume, you see phase inverter starts working nicely, the pentodune, and here we have the output signal. Still a little bit hum because my filtering is not perfect. Okay, so it seems to work. Yeah, but now the trick will be, first of all we shut this down, and now the idea is to remove the resistive load and hook the speaker cabinet instead. So for that purpose I quickly shut down the main voltage, not to have any spikes here on the output. I remove this cable. Oh, quite excited about it. And we hook the 4x12 speaker cabinet. And of course I'm expecting slight hum when I now raise the voltage. Let's see what's happening. Oh yeah, I hear some hum, but not so much. Okay. We remove also the signal generator now because this is no longer needed. Okay, I hear a little bit of humming in the okay. Yeah, that is coming from the not so perfect filtering here. But now more interesting thing is to plug my bass guitar. So remove that here. Plug in. So. All right. And now, let's see. Once again, I'm not a bass player, and I don't know where's my pick. It's here. It's here. Okay. So the very first moment in history. I'm very excited to see if anything will come out from the design. Let's raise the master volume. Oh yeah, I hear already something. Yeah, cool. Fine, something coming out. Yeah. Wow, that's cool. Here. Something's happening. Oh, I'm happy. Haha, here. Haha, cool. Yeah, and so this is let's say this is room level. Okay, and where are we? On the master volume. 1 at 1. So wow, that's massive. Oh, cool. Yeah. Cool. Wow, thing is working. Oops. Sorry for shaking around here with the tripod. Oh, that's cool. Let's try to get a view of everything. Just a second. Yeah, cool. And I think we need to... Oh, yeah. That's quite loud, or probably not more than 5 watt, of course, but I'm nervous that my workshop will collapse here. Let's see. Wow, everything is shaking here already in the workshop. Wow. So, before I now entertain you with my medium fantastic bass riffs. Let's first. Well, let's have a short conclusion from a happy woof. So what we see, these tubes in push-pull here, they are delivering some output power, yeah. It's quite loud, and on the last video we saw we get 140 watts with a signal generator. Right now I just didn't crank the master volume more than 2. And of course the input stage is still not really there. So the bass is not delivering, let's say, 1 volt peak to peak or 2 volt peak to peak, which should be the nominal input for this first small pentode here. So that is why the volume is not so extreme. But also I didn't go to 5, 6, 7 or 8. And also we are still a bit limited with the main plate voltage of right now, what do we have now here? 790 volt. But all in all, you are just watching the very first sound from these pentodes here, from these Russian radar pentodes, GK-71, each 125 watt dissipation. Once again, the signal level is pretty good. Yeah, it's not very noisy. And yeah, what I will now of course do is I will just play some riffs here with my bass guitar. I will not entertain you with that because I'm not such a good bass player. But yeah, so far I would say I'm quite happy, and I'm quite convinced that this thing will become a very nice bass amp with these huge bodies here. So thanks for watching, thanks for keeping your fingers crossed for me and for my designs, and see you again in part 3. Thanks, bye.